Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our dear viewers and listener, I think you will be happy, healthy, and fine. And I hope that you will watching the videos regularly, and I hope you will watching the videos completely, not for short time, because complete watching is compulsory for understanding the language. Because if we watch it just for a minute or two, so then understanding will come, but it will not so much beneficial, so much useful for us. हमारे लिए इतने फायदेमंद नहीं होंगे as compared to watching completely. Dear viewers, today we will begin presentation 1 and unit 5 and level 1. So in this unit, the title of the activity is talking about nationality and language ability. What's the title? Nationality and language ability. Talking mean बातें करना about nationality या कौमियत के बारे में, and language ability और ज़ुबान की सलाहियत के बारे में बातें करना. So as you know, dear viewers, that for ability we use modal auxiliary can. We use what? Can. Can in grammar point of view, what is can? It's a modal auxiliary. There are total 9 or 10 modal auxiliary. They are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, ought to. These are modal auxiliary. Among these modal auxiliary, one is can. One is what? Can. And can we use for what? Ability. Mostly brother, we use it for ability, सलाहियत के लिए, पर capability, for talent के लिए, capability के लिए, ability के लिए we use it, सलाहियत. If I tell you that round about 95% use of can is ability, right? We use it for ability. For example, the structure is that first of all we use subject, then can, then verb first form, and then rest of the sentence. After all the modal auxiliary, we use verb first form. We never use second form, third form, or ing form. We don't use the second and third form, but sometimes we commit the mistake and we use ing form. For example, we say I will going to Peshawar tomorrow. So that's wrong. I'll go to Peshawar tomorrow. I will go or I'll go contraction form to Peshawar tomorrow. We should use verb first form after all the modal auxiliary. So the first use of can is we use it for ability, for capability or for talent. सलाहियत के लिए, काबिलियत के लिए हम ये यूज़ करते हैं. Similarly, sometime the native speaker use it for what? Permission. Permission mean इजाज़त के लिए भी. For example, you can go home. आप घर जा सकते हैं, formal formation. You can play cricket over here. आपको इजाज़त है यहाँ क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं. या you can't play cricket over here. आपको क्रिकेट खेलने की इजाज़त नहीं है. You can't smoke cigarette. आपको यहाँ सिगरेट पीने की इजाज़त नहीं है. इजाज़त है या इजाज़त नहीं है. सिमिलरली सलाहियत है या सलाहियत नहीं है नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर के लिए. Similarly, we can also use it for possibility sometime, not for possibility. Then we use may or might mostly, but we use it for possibility also sometime. For example, Bilal can come today to our house. आज बिलाल आ सकता है, ये मुमकिन है कि वो आ जाए, राइट. इट कैन रेन टमारो. मौसम की हालत से पता चलता है कि कल बारिश हो सकता है. पॉसिबिलिटी है. पॉसिबिलिटी मीन इम्कान. पॉसिबिलिटी मीन इम्कान के लिए ये यूज़ करते हैं. एंड फोर्थली, सम टाइम वी यूज़ इट फॉर रिक्वेस्ट एज वेल. For what? Request. For example, can you open the door? Can you close the door? Request. Can you bring me a glass of water? So we use it for request or for darkhast के लिए भी sometime we use this modal auxiliary. So these are the 4 main uses of the modal auxiliary can. But the main important use is ability, capability or talent. So far the structure is concerned, so as I told you earlier as well, that the positive structure is first of all subject, then can, then verb, first form or base form or lexical form we also say, and then rest of the sentence. And negative structure, subject plus can't plus verb first form plus rest of the sentence. There are two pronunciation of this word, one is can't and one is can't. Both are correct. American pronounce it can't and Britain pronounce it can't. But actually we should try to pronounce it can't. That is the standard pronunciation, can't nowadays. Because once I was listening BBC news, and there was a commentary was going on, so the BBC correspondent Numainde ne said to the person that nowadays the Britain also use American English, बरतानिया वाला खुद भी American English use करते हैं. So as the Britain are also using the American English, so we should also try to use the American standard or the American words or the American pronunciation we should use, our style. So can't. For example, Bilal cricket खेल सकता है. Good. Bilal can play cricket. Bilal खत नहीं लिख सकता है. Good. हम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं. We can speak English. हम तेज़ नहीं दौड़ सकते हैं. God, we can't run past. हम में सलाहियत है, सलाहियत नहीं है. राइट. खालिद गाड़ी चला सकता है. God, खालिद कैन ड्राइव अ कार. अरशद दरिया में नहीं तैर सकते हैं. God, अरशद can't swim in the river. या इसी तरह बिल्ली दरख्त को चढ़ सकती है. Yeah, the cat can climb the tree. The cat can climb the tree. Yeah. इसी तरह अगर हम कहें कि शाहरुख खान गाने गा सकते हैं. Good. शाहरुख खान can sing the song. Good. अहमद टेबल बना सकते हैं. अहमद can make the table. और मेरी माँ कुरान मजीद की तिलावत कर सकती है. Very good. My mother can recite the Holy Quran. और suppose बिलाल कुरान मजीद की तिलावत नहीं कर सकता है. तो जब किसी बात की सलाहियत हो you will use can. जब सलाहियत न हो so you will use can't or can't is also right. Understood, brother? We use that for nationality as well. For example, these blue activity a person can do, and the black activity a person suppose can't do. So and we will talk about the nationality or qawmiyat ke bare mein as well. So how can we will say the first one? Bilal is Pakistani. Bilal is Pakistani mean he is from Pakistan actually. He can speak Urdu and English, and he can't speak Japanese and Chinese. यानी उसमें उर्दू और इंग्लिश बोलने की सलाहियत है और जापानीज़ और चाइनीज़ की सलाहियत नहीं है, और कौमियत उनके पाकिस्तानी है. Pakistani we will say. Similarly the second one, Aisha is Arabian. Aisha is Arabian. She can speak Arabic and English. Good. And the third one, good. She can't speak Pashto and Bangla. Good. The third one, Salim is Indian. उसकी nationality Indian है. He can speak good. He can speak Hindi, Urdu and English, and he can't speak good Chinese and Spanish. Similarly, the next one, suppose we are talking about Salma. So what will we say, brother? Salma is American. She can speak English and Spanish, and she can speak Pashto and Hindi. So can speak and can't speak. And for nationality we will say Japanese, Indian, Arabian, and in this way we can talk about. So I hope you will have learned the use of can, what are the main uses of can and how can we use can in positive and negative sentences. And similarly, I hope that you will also have learned about the nationality or nationality. You should talk about it so many times in order to get command upon this tense. Usually that mistake occur that suppose there is a guest came, एक मेहमान आता है and we are going to the playground, हम playground को जाते हैं तो हम मेहमान से पूछते हैं कि क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेल सकते हो. सो अक्सर हम ये पूछते हैं that are you play cricket. So that is wrong. Are you play cricket? We shouldn't say it, not any tense. We should ask him, can you play cricket? Mean आप में सलाहियत है या नहीं है. So he will answer yes I can or no I can't. So जब हम सलाहियत के बारे में किसी से भी पूछते हैं, so we should ask in the form of can or can't for negative ability. So we shouldn't use the question in do or as or am. Are you play cricket? Sometime we say in this way. So that is also wrong. Can you play cricket? We should say, because are you playing cricket mean तुम अभी क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो. तो अभी तो हम नहीं खेल रहे, अभी तो हम खेल के मैदान को जा रहे हैं. So these are very much important. It's learning that we are talking about when we are talking about ability we should use can. When we are talking about habitual activity we should use do or does, as we have discussed in present indefinite tense. Similarly, when we are talking about past activities, so we can use a did. Did you play cricket yesterday? क्या तुमने कल क्रिकेट खेला? Yes I did or no I didn't. Similarly, if we are using about continuous activity, so we should ask question in as or am and ing form. Are you taking English language class? Is Bilal writing a letter? So yes he is, no he isn't. So we should look at the situation, look at the tense, and then we should use the same auxiliary verb. Then our speaking English will be understandable for other people. दूसरे लोग इसको पहचान सकेंगे. Otherwise we think usually that we can speak English, but the other people don't understand us because our tense is usually wrong. We want to say one thing and we are speaking another thing. So in such a situation it is clear that the audience or the second person won't understand.